Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I will show you how you can take a screenshot from video in your iPhone. Let's start the video. First open App Store. Then tap on search bar and type FrameSnap app. Then tap on the app, and then install the app. Then open the apps. Then tap on select a video. Then select a video. Then select frames and tap on choose. Then wait for process. Then select a frame for image, then tap on snap. Then tap on save to gallery. Your image is ready for us.